Alright, let's talk about video mics. Video mics for on-camera use, so to speak, to be a bit precise. So I started with this. This is the VideoMic Go from Rode. It's simple, it is not expensive, it is alright, I think. Only downside, it has a loose windshield. I lost mine. I had to get a new one expensively, so to speak. But it's alright. You get away with it. I used it most likely for scratch sound or to get some atmospheres. Sometimes I used it like twice for interviews for people that are close to the camera. The level quality is not as good and solid. But it's alright, and you get interference with Wi-Fi signals and stuff like that. So if you want to combine this with the wireless Go from Rode, you will get into trouble because the Wi-Fi signal will interfere with the cable and stuff. So this doesn't work with that. But other than that, it is a really nice, solid entry-level mic. A step better is actually this one. This is the Video Micro. It is tiny and comes with a mint muff. And it is surprisingly good for the money. I was really surprised when I got this, when I used this. It sounds amazing. It has good levels, doesn't need a battery, just like this. This also doesn't need a battery. And I think this even sounds better than the bigger and more expensive VideoMic Plus. This little thing is that good that I actually use it for interviews on a mic stand. So booming this is really nice. The only downside is the mic pattern. It doesn't restrict noises from the side and from the back as good as other shotgun mics, of course. But yeah, so I really recommend this. Also nice, it comes with a wind muff. But you have to get this mic a bit closer, I'd say, than a normal shotgun mic. But it is amazing. So this is nice. So the recent addition to my kit is this. This is the VideoMic NTG. I thought about getting the Rode NTG 5, which is the newest edition, I think, and shares some of the specifics of this mic. But then all the other nice things are really nice. It has a built-in battery. It can be used on a computer or iPad or iPhone to record stuff, which is nice, makes it nice to record podcasts or voiceovers. And it's fairly short, I think, for shotgun mic. And it comes with this mount here, which is nice. And the price is also really nice. So I think this is the best solution if you want to use it on a mic stand to boom it or on a boom pole. And if you want to record voiceovers. So really, really nice. And what I also do is when I use it for my interviews most of the time, I combine it with the wireless Go. Thanks to Caleb Pike for this little neat trick to actually combine this microphone, the Video Micro. And I just put on this rail here. This fits perfectly because it's basically like a cold shoe. So I put this here, connect, and this goes onto my mic stand or a boom pole or whatever. And now I have a wireless mic situation. And also good thing is, as soon as you power on the wireless Go. So yeah, basically on my rig there I have the receiver and I put it on. And the nice thing is, as soon as I power this up, the mic also will get powered on, and as soon as I switch this off, mic also gets switched off. So you never lose signal. So I set the transceiver or transmitter or whatever, the receiver, to mid-level. I have this around 10, something like that. And the Sony mic input here, and this one, I set this fairly low as well, so I have nice and clean signal, as you can see. So this is my mic solution for interviews and stuff like that. VideoMic NTG, and then the wireless go directly into my camera. By the way, I switched the cold shoe from top here to here on the side, so I have perfectly good view on the level meter here, especially if the camera is a little bit higher. I also have a nice view on the levels here, as you can see. So there you go. That's basically it. This is my wireless interview setup. Sounds amazing. Anyways, if you have any questions, I will talk about this rig at some point, I think. So if you have any questions about this mic solution or any other mic solution, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.